What's happening, Lost Sheepers? Jono here, Lost Sheep Adventures. Now this month, in true Jablinski Games motion, no trip video this month, sadly. There's been a few problems with the Jeep. Nothing too major. Nothing too major though. Problems being, remember that tick we had at the Nevis video? That tick developed into a clunk. Only in four-wheel drive, so it was fine. I just sort of left it for a while I sorted out the Cherokee. But then it developed into being two-wheel drive as well. After some investigating, what happened was the C-clip at the end of the U-joint actually fell out and the U-joint cup was falling out, so the axle could play in that U-joint there, which obviously isn't a good thing. So I had to pull the whole front drive shaft out, pull the U-joint apart, reseat everything, re-grease it, re-put it in there, and get a new C-clip for it. So now we're back in action, four-wheel drive again, awesome sauce, but that did chew up most of the month, and I put money into something else instead, which is, of course, my stickers. Yeah, they arrived. This is awesome. Super excited for them. Yes! I shouldn't actually do that. They were expensive. But they're here, they arrived. Now they're being sent straight out to my patrons from Patreon. So if you want to see to these guys, do jump over to Patreon, check it out. Your support really helps me getting out here to actually film all this stuff. Trying to find the time actually lately has been the difficult part, hence why not a lot's happening. But we're working on it all. And with the Cherokee shortly up and running, having a few problems with that, but shortly this Cherokee should be up and running. We can have two trucks, or at least an overlanding video and a four-wheel drive video where we can do tough tracks and do the camping trips. So lots of plans coming. In the meantime, though, keep getting out there. Winter's coming. Game of Thrones, because it was literally played the other day. It's exciting. I haven't seen past season 3, though. But winter's coming, so snow is on the way. There's actually already snow on the remarks. It's pretty awesome. And from there, we should be having a lot of fun. Plan to do some... I got ideas for a cool video this coming winter. We'll see if I can talk my mate into doing it, though, but we'll see how it goes. Anyways, team. Jono out, Lost Sheep Adventures. Check out the rest of my videos, and we will catch you next month for another trip video. Hopefully getting away to Mavora. I really want to do that one. Cheers, team. Enjoy it.